Okay, so let me share my screen again. Okay, so this is the layout that we wanted to apply in our Cisco Packet Tracer. So one wireless router, one PC, one laptop, one cable modem, one cloud, and one server. So let's start implementing that particular thing. First, let us go to the wireless devices, and here you will get the here you will get the wireless router. Let me delete this. I want to take WRT 300 and wireless router. Then I need to take one machine, so I will take one machine, one laptop. Then let me check. I want to take one cable modem, so simply I will go to the let me search where I can find this cable modem. Okay, in cloud I'm having this cable model, so I will take in cloud or in WAN emulation actually. I'm going to get this cable modem, so I will drag that particular cable modem here. I will drag internet, that is the public cloud, and finally I will take one server. So these are the components that I require for this practical. Now let's start the connection. First I will connect router with Ethernet because we want to show the configuration, or we want to just show the configuration of Ethernet. So I will connect it with the Ethernet. I will connect this laptop in wireless mode. So what I will do, I will just switch off this device. We'll drag out the wired component and we'll drag in the wireless component, and then I will make it on. Then let me close this. Okay, it is connected. Now I need to connect a cable modem with wireless router. So what I will do, I will take copper straight wire, I will click on internet, and then I will click on cable modem port 1. So now my router is connected with cable modem. Then I need to connect this cable modem with cloud, so I can take the automatically choose connection type, and then I will connect cloud and my cable modem. And finally I need to connect this cloud and server. So simply I will again use the automatic connection type, and I will connect my server also. So in this way I'm going to form my layout. First I will take wireless router, that is WRT300N, then one PC, then one laptop, then one cable modem, then a cloud, and then a server. I will connect PC with the Ethernet. I will connect laptop in a wireless mode. I will connect modem from the internet port, from the wireless router, and that will be connected to my modem. The cable modem is connected to the cloud via automatically choosing that particular connection, and then it is connected to the server. Now let us see what we need to do again. This is a table with which we want to work. Now definitely this is having a default gateway 192.168.0.1. Let us see whether I'm having the same configuration or not. If no, you need not to change that. You can continue with that particular configuration. Now here I can see it is a default configuration, that is 192.168.0.1. Fine. Now I need to set the IP address for the machines. So what I will do, I will just go to the PC, go to the desktop, and here click on DHCP. You need to click on DHCP. So you will get the IP address for PC. You have already IP address for this laptop because you have connected that particular laptop in wireless mode. So it is automatically converted into DHCP. So we need not to set anything over there. No need to do anything as of now for the cable modem and the cloud. Let us see what is remaining over there. Fine, DSCP done. This DSCP is also done. Wireless router. Okay, this is the default IP address. We have not changed that. Now here we need to set the Cisco server IP address, and we need to set the Ethernet cable, that is Ethernet 0. So here what I will do, let me check. Yeah, it is the fast Ethernet. And do we have any kind of Ethernet cable? No, just single cable available. So let me click on that particular server, go to the desktop, go to the IP configuration, and set out this IP 208.61.220.220. 208.61.220.220. And definitely we will keep one default gateway. Okay, so this is done in a static mode. I will copy this IP address because we need to use that particular IP address again and again. So let's see. Okay, so I have done the basic configuration of the devices. Now let us go and see what we need to do again. So here we need to configure that particular wireless router, and we need to make the DNS enabled. We need to make this DNS server enabled. Now just see, I have done this connection already. So what I will do, I'm not going to change any kind of SSID over here, but if it is asked in examination, then you need to do that. So what you will do, you will go to the wireless and you will just change this SSID. But as of now, I'm not doing this. I'm going to the setup and I want to add a DNS server. I want this server should work as a DNS server. So what I will do, I need to pass the IP address over here. Its IP address over here. So your DNS server will be set. Let me click on save the settings. Close. As I have entered is DNS over here, so I need to make DNS service on from the server, as well as I need to make DHCP service on from the server. So let us start doing that particular thing. So first what I will do, I will go to the server, and here in config, let me check. Okay, I need to set this DHCP. So what I will do, I will make it on. We'll set default gateway here. The things are given. That is 208.67.220.220. 208.67.220.220. DNS server will be the same. So I will just paste that particular value. Start IP address will be from 1 or from 2. Number of maximum machines will be 50, and just save that particular configuration. Go to the DNS and just check what we need to do in the DNS. Just enter the name, that is cisco.com. So what I will do, I will make this service on and I will put cisco.com and give the IP address of that particular server. So it's done. I will add that particular value, make it on. Okay, fine. So I have done the DNS setting, I have done the DHCP setting. Just one thing is there that I need to do. What I need to do, I need to just perform this activity. That is, I need to make the connection of that particular Ethernet 6 and the coaxial cable. So what I will do, I will click on Internet Cloud. I will click on Internet Cloud. Now I need to just set the relay between this cable modem and the server. So I will go to the config. I will go to the cable. Here I'm not getting any kind of Ethernet. Okay, so to get that particular Ethernet, I need to go to this. Let me check. Okay, I need to click on this Ethernet 6. Okay, I need to click on this Ethernet 6 and just make the cable on. select this particular cable option, then go to the cable. Now there we have the Ethernet available. So now add that particular connection. So now you are connected from coaxial to the Ethernet 6. So that part is also done. Fine. Now let's see, is there anything remaining over here? Yes, one thing is remaining. That means we need to set the server config. So let me close this. Let me go to the server config, and let me go to the config, and what I need to do, I need to select this fast Ethernet. Fine, that is working very well. Go to the setting, set the DNS server. I need to set that particular DNS server value, so that will be done over here. So 220.220. Fine, I think we have done all the settings. So now I should check the connectivity. So simply I will click on the machine. Okay, the IP address of this machine is 101. So just let me see IP config. So the IP address is 192.168.0.101. Fine. Then I will fire a command, IP config release. You can see we are having this default gateway as 0.0.0. Let me check, renew. So here you are getting your IP address, you are getting your default gateway, as well as you are getting your DNS server. Now let me ping from here. If you are connected with your DNS server, then you have successfully completed your practical. 220 dot. Let's see. Yes, I'm getting ping. Let me check again. Yes, I'm getting that particular ping successfully, because just see, we have connected this wireless router with Ethernet, and this one is connected with internet, and this connection is also the example of the Ethernet. So basically here we have configured our Ethernet cable successfully, so we are getting this connection. I repeat out the steps. First, I need to take a router, that is the WRT300L, then PC, one laptop, one cable modem, cloud, and the server. First, I need to connect this router with PC1 with Ethernet cable, connect this laptop in wireless mode, connect your router with cable with internet, and use automatically connectivity for the cable and cloud, and the cloud and the server. So here you are going to use Ethernet, and here also you are going to use Ethernet. Then you need to set the IP address for the wireless router. You can use the same one. And here you need to set the SSID if it is asked, otherwise it is okay. And here you need to set the DNS server, but before that you need to set the IP address of this server. So you can set the IP address from over here, that is 208.67.220.220. Then here you will set that particular IP address over the column of the DNS. So here I have done 208.67.220.220. Then I need to set this IP address of that particular machine. So I will go to the desktop and select DHCP. Do the same thing for laptop. Then I need to do set the Ethernet cable. So what you will do, you will click on Ethernet 6, make the cable option on, and then go to the cable and add this path. So it is just like you are trying to forward that particular packets over that path, and also you are going to accept the incoming packets. Then you need to make your DHCP service on and DNS service on. So here I have done. You need to set the default gateway as 208.67.220.220, and also 208.67.220.220, and you can save the server pool. you need to make the DNS service on. So here, as I have done, I have set the name cisco.com and the IP address as to, that is the IP address of that particular server. And then that is done. Then you need to go to the machine and fire out this command. Basically, I need to fire out this command ipconfig/renew, and then you need to ping that particular IP address of that particular server. So if you are getting the reply, then you have connected successfully. Otherwise, you need to check your connection. So that is all from practical number 8.